I'll show you how you can post on Facebook. So on Facebook, on the homepage here, if you want to post, just tap on the upper right here and tap on what's on your mind. And here you can see he'll be put into a page where you can create a post. So on this post, you can either type in what you want. So for example, I can't even, for example, and then you can add other, like you can add pictures here, for example. So you can look like a Facebook mom if you want. And you can see if you want to go back, you can also add images if you'd like. If you're not gonna add any, you can also add in like no people to show. You can tag someone just like you do in Instagram. You can add emojis here as well if you like. So for example, I can't even, and then the emoji will be this cool guy, and then you can see feeling cool just like that. You can tag locations as well if you'd like, and there's also other things like check-in, live video, background color, camera, GIF, live event. All of those things, you can mess with all of those things to make all of your Facebook posts even more cool. But if you don't want anything, just tap on this and then create on post, and then that's it. Now your post will be posting, and then now it's posted. Good job. You just made a new post on Facebook.